right there on top of the moon.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. This is काजोल और आज मैंने सोचा कि थोड़ा सा एक पार्टी मेकअप लुक हो जाए आप लोगों के लिए. So I have come up with this makeup look. I hope you guys like it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that we are going to use is this Garnier Micellar water. I'm just going to take a normal cotton pad and pour some micellar water onto it and wipe my entire face with it. Often we think that we have cleansed our face तो चेहरा साफ है, but that's not the case. That's why I generously use this micellar water on an everyday basis. Next up is this moisturizer from Nivea. I use this soft cream. I generously apply it on my entire face and neck and then massage it in. Next up is this primer from Benefit. Is their Professional Primer. You have to apply a primer before you're going for a function or a party or a meetup because you don't want your makeup to slip away. You want that to be, right there where you've put it. So that's why I use this primer. It's a very, very good primer. I just apply it on my entire face, not just on my pores, but like my entire face. And moving on to the concealer, we are going to use this Maybelline Master Camouflage palette, and I'm just going to firstly use the green one, the green concealer, because I have a lot of redness and pimple going on. You guys, my skin is not at all behaving. मतलब skin की इतनी ज़्यादा बदतमीजी हो गई है ना कि क्या ही बताऊँ बस. तो I need to use this green concealer in order to firstly cancel out any redness that is there on my face. So I'm just applying it wherever I have some redness or pimples. Next up, I'm going to use this peachish kind of like orangish color of concealer to cancel out any dark circles that I might have under my eyes, although I don't have that much. That's why I'm using a peach color to just cancel out the darkness and not like bright orange shade of concealer. I'm also going to apply this same concealer on like around my mouth as well as my scar and anywhere that I might feel कि यार थोड़ा सा pigmentation हो रखा है या फिर थोड़ा सा color में difference है, तो I apply it over there to make my face like an even tone and like clean canvas for the foundation to sit on. Once I've blended everything, I again go with a sponge to blend the entire concealer in place because you need to blend, guys. Blending is the key. If your base is like properly blend, it looks more beautiful. My holy grail, my foundation from Maybelline Super Fresh in Warm Nude. Again, I'm just going to take a drop of the foundation on back of my hand and dot it on my entire face. Guys, when I've already corrected my face, I don't like to use too much of foundation because वो दिखता है in person party वगैरह में बहुत ज़्यादा दिखता है, लाइट वगैरह पड़ रही होती हैं. That's why I try to use minimum amount of foundation and just like spot conceal the areas जहाँ पे need है. So for concealer, I'm just going to use this yellowish concealer. Why? Because अभी पार्टी मेकअप चाहिए तो पार्टी में बहुत लाइट्स होंगी. लाइट विल रिफ्लेक्ट द येलो कलर एंड इट विल लुक लाइक योर under eye areas is like very bright and healthy. That's why rather than using the concealer of my own skin tone, I go for a yellow concealer. You can also use a banana powder over it, but I didn't have any banana powder lying around, so that's why I've just used a yellow concealer. Blending it with a sponge, thoroughly blending it. Next up is powder. I'm going to use this Maybelline Super Fresh powder in Pearl and apply it with an angled brush because I want my face to look healthy and glowy. मेरे को ये नहीं चाहिए कि पाउडर से मैं बिल्कुल मैटिफाई कर दूँ. पूरे फेस पे मैं पाउडर लगाऊंगी बट ऐसे नहीं लगाऊंगी कि मतलब चंक में नहीं लगाऊंगी. वेरी लाइट हैंडेडली एज यू कैन सी. Next up is this eyeshadow. It's the Maybelline Lemonade Craze. I have used only this brown shade from this palette, but I love this palette honestly because it gives such beautiful bronzy eyes. So I'm just going to use the brown as a transition shade on the lid, on both of the eyes of course. And after I've applied the foundation and I've blended it properly, तो उसके बाद I'll go for a shimmery bronzy shade that was there in the palette, this one. This is such a beautiful color, guys. It's such a beautiful color. Immediately आपकी eyes, as you can see, it gives such a beautiful flattery effect to your eyes because the bronze shade, it just looks beautiful. देख लो now. तो I'm just going to apply the same eyeshadow का shimmery shade as the inner corner highlight, brow bone highlight, and then I'm just going to go again with the same brown shade for the bottom lash line of my eyes. So that completes my eye look. just the eyeshadow, not the complete eye look. Moving on to the mascara. You guys know me, I love this Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal. It's amazing. I have said it 1,000 times. Just going to apply it on the upper lashes as well as the bottom lashes, and I will hop on to the liner. Now this liner guys, I've heard so much about it, but मैंने पता नहीं कब से खरीद के रखा हुआ था Lakme Absolute in black, but मैंने कभी यूज़ ही नहीं किया था liner because I have really big eyes, so I tend to avoid eyeliner as much as possible. और अगर यूज़ करती भी हूँ तो जेल लाइनर यूज़ करती हूँ, बट आई यूज दिस लाइनर एंड इट वॉज ब्यूटिफुल यू गाइज. मतलब आप एप्लीकेशन देखोगे, इट वॉज सीमलेस. Next up is this Makeup Revolution का blush and bronzer palette. I'm just going to use the light pink peachish kind of a color on the apple of my cheeks. I will go in a circular motion. एक चीज़ इसमें देखनी है आपको, जब आप ब्लश लगाते हो ना, गो इन अ सर्कुलर मोशन एंड इन अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन सो दैट यू लिफ्ट योर फेस. ऑफन लोग क्या करते हैं, एप्पल ऑफ द चीक्स पे लगा के और ड्रैग कर लेते हैं. डोंट डू दैट, जस्ट अपलिफ्ट योर फेस. Moving on to the brows, we have this L'Oreal in Ebony. I'm just going to quickly go through my eyebrows. You have seen me do this 1,000 times. It's the same process. I just outline my eyebrows and fill them in. Boom, ho gaya. Moving on to the star of the show, which is my lipstick. It is this Liquid Suede in Cherry Skies. I'm not going to डायरेक्टली अप्लाई द लिपस्टिक बिकॉज वो बहुत ज़्यादा हार्श हो जाता है, बहुत ज़्यादा लाउड हो जाता है, एंड आई डोंट लाइक दैट. आई लाइक सीमलेस फिनिश. तो फिर मैं बस हल्का सा डॉट करके उसे अपने फिंगर्स से ब्लेंड करूँगी. अभी भी मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा लग रहा था, तो आई टुक अ कॉटन पैड काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग एंड आई जस्ट लाइक यू नो टुक आउट द एक्सेस ऑफ लिपस्टिक दैट वॉज देयर. तो यप, दैट वॉज इट. नहीं, हाईलाइटर बच गया अभी. हाईलाइटर के लिए आई एम यूजिंग दिस Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Rose Gold. I love this because it is subtle. इसका जो दूसरा वाला भी, I don't remember the name, but that is a little bit bold highlighter. ये थोड़ा soft है. I'm just going to apply it on the cheekbones, my nose, bridge of my nose, my chin, and of course my cupid's bow. मैं थोड़ा सा अपने lips पे भी लगाती हूँ क्योंकि I like that shiny effect. थोड़ा सा metallic हो जाता है. I'm just going to intensify the highlighter on the tip of my nose and bridge of my nose, like so, as you can see. So that finishes my entire look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, then like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.